Yo, 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 this is Mr. Boyle. Now that we know the types of slope, now we're going to show you how you actually find what the slope is. A quick way to remember this is that slope is rise over run. It's written in fraction form, rise on top, run on the bottom. Quick way I always remember it is you have to rise before you run. Get out of bed, get your day started, then get going. Or even if you're in track and field, when you get out of the blocks, you got to rise up and then you start running type of thing. So kind of keep that in mind. Rise up before you run. Here's this first one. This is a negative slope again because it's going down to the right. I go ahead and I draw in my arrows so I can see my rise and my run. I'm using red for rise and green for run in these slides. Rise here goes up 4. You start at the point and then it's however many jumps you come up. All right, so that's 4 up. Anything that goes to the left, just like on a number line, is a negative move. So when I come to my slope here, it's rise of 4, run of -4. So rise on top, run on the bottom. This is -1 when you reduce it. We'll show you on the calculators how you reduce the fractions if that's one of the weak points for you. Here's a look at one with a positive slope. All right, again, it's going up to the right, so I know it's positive, so I've already labeled that. My rise, so I've drawn my arrow up and my arrow over. We're rising up 4. This time we're running 3. 1, 2, 3 little jumps to the right. So that's a rise of 4, a run of 3. This is already simplified. All right, we're going to show you again. If you put in the calculate equal, this bad boy does not go down or reduce, so you're already set. Next one, horizontal line, has 0 slope, and again I'm just going to show you mathematically why. Because the rise here, well, there is no rise. You're not going up at all on this one, but you can run. How far you run, that's up to you. I have no idea. So I just said any number. So when I come here to my slope, rise, there is none, so I put 0. Run any number. 0 divided by any number. Put it in the calc. Pick 0 divided by, and then just put some random number in. Is always going to be 0. Hence the reason why the horizontal line has a 0 slope. And then the last one here, undefined slope. Again, the rise, you can keep rising all you want here, so it's any number. Run, notice we don't go to the right, there's no running, or to the left, there's no running whatsoever on this one. So any numbers on top, 0 on the bottom. Which is also undefined. If you put it in the calculator, you cannot divide a number by 0, and that's why it comes out as an undefined slope as you go through it. Again, when you do these, you must write the initial fraction with the rise and run, and then simplify it, which is stuff that we'll be talking about in class. All right, hey, remember, before you get this stuff done, you better rise before you run. This is Mr. Boyle, and I'm out.